My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the intrusive advertisements associated with the site rbhath.com. rbhath.com. This is the website that tries to make people click on the special allow button supposedly to watch some video. But clicking on allow button immediately hijacks the browser. People may be brought to some other misleading websites of similar nature, and they may also receive the great number of junk advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom section of the screen. If these ads are clicked on, people may be brought to other malicious or shady or useless content. So, be very careful with those pop-ups. Do not ever click on the allow button. In case the allow button was clicked by mistake, you should fix the problem to avoid these annoying ads from attacking your screen. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, click on Notifications. Carefully research the websites allowed to send notifications, and when you find this rbhath.com, click on this related button and remove the malicious site from the list, as well as all other malicious sites causing such troubles. Finally, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is important because the system may be additionally contaminated by some other adware or hidden malware. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this malware and to remove it effectively. Get it on the website combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and start investigating your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experience with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So, after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.